Hello gamers, welcome back to another video. Today we are unboxing the Cammus C12 Direct Drive steering wheel. This is one of the most anticipated sim racing wheels of the year. Before we get into this video, I request all the viewers to subscribe to my channel as 90% of the viewers have not subscribed and your subscription helps me stay motivated to make such content. With that said, let's dive right into the unboxing. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. The Cammus C12 comes in a sleek minimalist white box with a beautiful wavy line pattern and a product photo on the front. The Cammus branding in shiny dark blue really stands out against the matte white background. Alright, let's open it up. Inside, we have a long white box, a sheet of soft black foam, and the product manual. Removing the foam, we find the steering wheel itself neatly recessed in a black foam block. One thing to note is that the marking at the top of the wheel is yellow instead of the red shown on the website. In the long box to my left, we have a USB-A to USB-B cable, two mounting brackets, the power plug, power adapter which is quite large, almost the size of my hand, and it outputs 24 volt at 14 amp, which is around 350 watt. Next, there is a small fan and a bag containing an Allen key and screws. The only thing not included inside this box is the table clamp, which you need to purchase separately. Now, let's take a closer look at the Cammus C12 itself. This wheel is designed for serious sim racers. It features a direct drive motor integrated into the wheel rim, delivering an impressive 12 Nm of torque. The wheel is 300 mm in diameter and made from synthetic leather, which feels high quality and comfortable. On the wheel, we have the total of 14 mappable buttons, 7 encoders, a funky switch, and a multifunctional display for speed and gear, along with RGB telemetry lights. The metallic center plate is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but the carbon fiber button module looks fantastic and adds a lot of character to the wheel. At the back, we have magnetic carbon fiber pedal shifters, which feels very responsive and have a tactile feel to its magnet, but it is quite loud for my taste. The wheel is mounted to the base using 6 screws, which follows universal holes at 7 mm diameter, making it possible to swap out the rim if you prefer a different style, though this won't be as easy and seamless as quick release method. I have received GT wheel rim while I also have a 350 mm wheel for truck sim experience. Connecting the C12 is straightforward. Just plug in the power adapter, connect the USB cable to your PC and you are good to go. There are 2 extra USB-C connectors which can be used for pedals and shifter. You will have to purchase the desktop clamp which comes with 2 mounting brackets, making it easy to secure the wheel to your rig. Let me mount this on my existing Next Level FG-T Lite, which already have Cammus C5 mounting, so I am going to remove it using these 4 screws and mount the C12 using the same bracket. There you have it folks, the Cammus C12 Direct Drive steering wheel. This is how it looks after mounting it to the rig. With its impressive torque, high quality build and intensive features, it's a fantastic option for any serious sim racers on a budget. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, then please like, comment and share it with your sim racer friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more sim racing content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.